Welcome back, riders and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycles and taking a close look at the highly anticipated 2024 Benelli BKX 300. The new BKX 300, an all-round two-wheeler, easy and light, built to offer optimum handling in all conditions, guaranteed fun both on asphalt and off-road. A bike made for beginners looking for adventure, but also for those who don't want to miss out on the pleasure of riding a compact, dynamic, innovatively styled motorbike. The beating heart of the BKX 300 is a brand new 292.4 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with a 42mm throttle body, the newest iteration of the current 250 cubic centimeters featured on the TRK 251 and Leoncino 250. The engine, in €5 plus configuration, delivers a maximum power output of 29.2 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 18.1 FTLB at 7,000 RPM. The chain-driven timing features a double overhead camshaft with 4 valves and a 6-speed gearbox. When it comes to performance, the 2024 Benelli BKX 300 doesn't disappoint. With its responsive throttle, nimble handling, and impressive power-to-weight ratio, this bike offers a thrilling ride for riders of all skill levels. Whether cruising through city streets or navigating challenging terrains, the BKX 300 excels in delivering a smooth and enjoyable performance. The engine is housed in a steel double cradle frame, while suspension at the front consists of an upside-down fork with 41mm diameter legs and 180mm travel, while at the rear there's a swinging arm and a monoshock with progressive linkage adjustable in the spring preload and 180mm travel at the wheel. The bike with the front features a modern and eye-catching headlamp design, in particular the DRL design, shared with the road version, while at the rear has a combo solution integrating the parking, stop and turn indicator lights. The exhaust is revised with a new, longer manifold to provide a greater torque spread, and a slipper clutch is included in the specification, reducing lever resistance and smoothing out the gear changes. The braking system has a single 280mm diameter floating disc with 4-piston caliper on the front and a 240mm diameter disc with single-piston floating caliper on the back. The spoke wheels with aluminium alloy hub and rim are 19-inch at the front and 17 at the rear, and respectively fitted with 190 and 140/80 tires. The BKX 300 comes with a new LCD instrumentation, offers excellent visibility in all riding conditions, while the fuel tank has 13-liter capacity. And for any possible needs while traveling, a convenient USB socket is also available. To wrap up, the 2024 Benelli BKX 300 emerges as a compelling choice in the mid-range motorcycle segment. With its blend of performance, technology, and comfort, it's set to make waves in the market. For riders seeking an agile and powerful companion for their adventures, the BKX 300 stands out as a compelling choice.